Hi-ho, hi-ho, off to the beach we go. There's the games board. There's the beach. There's our time. Hey, we made it! All in one shot! 2 minutes and 2 seconds. What more can I say? We made it. We're stirring it up with Bob Marley. Alright, let's go park and check out the beach. Alright, here we are. Grace Bay Beach. This is the #1 beach on planet Earth. Have any doubt? Just go to tripadvisor.com. Look at the Reader's Choice Awards for 2011 and 2012. This beach is it, ladies and gentlemen. The #1 beach on planet Earth. And like I said, it's just 2 minutes away from Venetian Ridge Villas. You gotta check it out. This beach here runs for 20 kilometers long, or like 12, 13 miles with your car. You can go check out any spot of it, but as you can see, it's all yours. Come discover.